Welcome back to Speak with Mr. English.
Hi friends, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Adam. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more easy English lessons.
Today we're learning English for travel, simple words and phrases to help you speak confidently anywhere in the world.
When you travel, English is very useful. At the airport, in a taxi, or at your hotel.
That's right, even a few easy phrases can help you a lot.
Let's listen to a short story about a traveler named Sara.
Sara is flying to London for her vacation. Let's hear what happens. Hi, I'm Sara. Last week I flew to London. At the airport I said, "Hello, I have a flight to London." The staff said, "Can I see your passport, please?" I gave it to her and said, "Thank you." Then I asked, "Where is gate number 10? She said, "It's near the cafe." I bought a coffee and a sandwich. The man said, "That's £5, please." I said, "Here you go." Later at my hotel, I said, "Hello, I have a reservation." The receptionist said, "Can I have your name, please?" I said, "It's Sara Kim." She smiled and said, "Welcome." Sara used many helpful travel phrases. Let's learn them together.
Great idea. First, can I see your passport, please? That's something airport staff or hotel workers often say.
Yes, you can just smile and give your passport.
Next, where is gate number 10? Gate means the place where you get on your airplane.
Right. You can change the number. Where is gate number 5? Or where is gate number 22?
Then, Sara said, "Here you go." That means, here it is. You say it when giving something.
Exactly. Try it with me. Here you go. Good. One more time. Here you go. And finally, at the hotel, she said, "I have a reservation." That means you booked a room before. Yes, the receptionist asked. "Can I have your name, please?" That's a polite way to ask for your name.
And you can answer, "It's Sara Kim," or "My name is Adam."
Perfect. These are small phrases, but very useful for travelers.
You know, Olivia, sometimes travelers feel shy when speaking English.
Yes, that's true, but don't worry. Even short, simple sentences are okay. You can say things like, "Excuse me," or "Can you help me?"
Right. Excuse me is a magic phrase. It's polite, friendly, and works in many places. In airports, shops, or on the street.
Let's practice a few more useful travel phrases. Friends, repeat after us. "Excuse me, where is the bus stop?" Good. One more. "How much is this ticket?"
Very nice. These are great for asking questions when you travel.
And don't forget body language. Smile, point, and speak slowly. People will understand you better.
Exactly. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar.
Oh, and one more thing. Always say thank you when someone helps you.
Yes. Thank you and please are two words that open every door.
Haha, that's true. You can travel the whole world with those two words. Let's add a few more travel situations. Imagine you're in a taxi. You can say, "Can you take me to the hotel, please?"
That's a good one. And when you arrive, you can say, "How much is it?" Or, "Can I pay by card?"
Nice. You can also say, "Please stop here if you want to get out of the taxi."
Yes, that's very useful. Let's repeat that together. Please stop here.
Now, imagine you're ordering food at a restaurant. You can say, "Can I see the menu, please?" And "I'd like some water, please."
That's great. And if you like the food, you can say, "It's delicious."
Ha 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 ha, yes. Everyone loves to hear that.
So, let's add these new phrases to our travel list. They're perfect for eating, shopping, and getting around.
Let's do a quick mini conversation. Adam, I'll be the traveller and you be the taxi driver.
All right, let's try it.
"Excuse me, can you take me to the Green Hotel, please?"
Sure. Please get in.
"Thank you. How much is it?"
$10, please.
"Here you go."
Thank you. Have a nice day.
"You too."
That was great. Easy, polite, and very natural English.
Exactly. Friends, when you travel, these short sentences help you sound kind and confident.
And remember, practice a little every day. When you use these phrases, Your English will grow fast. Let's review today's travel phrases. Repeat after us. Can I see your passport, please? Where is gate number 10? Here you go. I have a reservation. Can I have your name, please? Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How much is this ticket? Can you take me to the hotel, please? Please stop here. Can I see the menu, please? It's delicious.
Wow, look at that. You just learned 11 travel phrases you can use anywhere in the world.
That's amazing. You're ready to travel and speak English with confidence. Where do you want to travel next? Tell us in the comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
And keep practicing with us. You'll speak English with confidence.
See you next time on Speak with Mr. English.